Okay, y'all, it's the end of the year and we've got to talk about something. We got to talk about one of my favorite tech tools and it just came out like a week ago. And I'm telling you guys, this is going to be a game changer and you are going to want to try it right away. What is it? It's ChatGPT and we are going to try it out today. Stay tuned. Okay, so what is ChatGPT? Well, it's artificial intelligence, right? You get there by going to chat.openai.com. Now you do have to create an account, and this is in beta mode, but I've already been playing with this. It can write code, it can write all kinds of things. This is going to be a serious game changer for your real estate business because now it's going to take you about 3 seconds to write listing descriptions and things like that. But I mean, this is a game changer for everybody, not just real estate. So let me show you some examples. So I'm going to tell it to write a listing description and give it a little bit of information. Write a listing description for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom luxury home in Cypress, Texas. This is real time, you guys. I'm not speeding it up. Spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath luxury home is located in the desirable community of Cypress, Texas. The open concept floor plan is perfect for entertaining and features high-end finishes and appliances throughout. The gourmet kitchen boasts granite countertops, custom cabinetry, blah, blah, blah. You guys, look at that description. All I had to write was write a listing description for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath luxury home in Cypress, Texas. You could put the neighborhood name so it could, I mean, the more details you give it about the home, the more details it's going to give. So write a listing description for you. Like, it just wrote that for me. What else can we try? Write a caption for bathroom photos. Captions. Open house follow-up plan. Look at that. You don't know what to do after an open house? Here you go. One of my personal favorites, though, that this thing will do, how to use Keller Williams command. What? It's still writing my open house follow-up. I'm already on to my next question. Look at this. It knows how to use command. Like, this literally came out last week. What? Are you serious right now? This is crazy, right? How is this going to change your business? Well, you need to tell me what you're going to use this for, what you're excited about. Let me know in the comments below. I am so excited about this. I'm gonna play with it some more. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.